Let the balloons go, Helen. Helen and her magic balloons. Hurry.
Wow.
Wow. Here, step back so we can see them. Helen and her magic balloons. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go while the air's on. Hurry. Put it there.
How about boys? How about boys? One balloon. Two balloons.
Boy, these balloons have lasted forever.
Two
There's that one
balloons.
red robin balloon. When we went out to eat to the restaurant, drinking milk, she always says. Look, you have them both down there, and then those are from Fred Meyer. Aww.
Get in.
There's on.